some of the big projects that the factory's worked on in the past, Victoria Falls Bridge, 1905, it's one of the big ones. Sydney Harbour Bridge in 1923. Singmar Bridge was constructed in 1997. And they've lately Twin Sails Bridge in Poole, 2011. They're four big names that people can relate to and probably travel over at some point.
Yeah. Currently at the moment, Cleveland Bridge are working on the A14 project down near Cambridge, which is a new A14 bypass and junction works on today, 1M. We've already completed 2 bridges down there, one over the East Coast Main Line, which went very well, and another one that's going to be going over the realigned A1. We're currently building the largest bridge down there that's just sort of 3/4 of a kilometre long at the moment, which goes over the floodplain and the River Great Ouse, which again is an interesting project. As I say, that's just under 3/4 of a kilometre long and weighs approximately 7,000 tonne. One of the other interesting ones that have just gone in and we've just completed was A6 junction on the M1 near Kegworth. We constructed a bridge offline at the side of the M1, and then the client came along, put the concrete deck on and other ancillary items. We then transported the bridge as in its entirety from the construction area across over the M1 and put it into place, all within a weekend. So that's another innovative one that we've done, and we've got the same thing again coming up on the A14, but we have 2 of them to go in.
Well, at the minute we're working on the projects that's going through the shop. We've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline, a lot of opportunity. In the last 3 years, the amount of work that we've put through the factory's increased year on year.